Welcome to our tutorial on adding a certificate to your PassKit account. I will share step-by-step instructions how to create and upload your certificate. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to understand the role of certificates in managing wallet passes, upload a new certificate to your PassKit account, and learn best practices for certificate management. Let's first cover terminology. A certificate is a digital document that verifies the authenticity of your passes and allows them to be added to and updated in Apple Wallet. CSR stands for Certificate Signing Request and is a file generated by PassKit that is used to create your pass certificate. The CSR contains the certificate request information, the signature algorithm, and the digital signature of your account to prevent a fake certificate from being requested. And a pass type identifier is a unique identifier associated with your certificate. Pass type IDs play an important role on how Apple Wallet works. Apple Wallet passes are cryptographically signed using a certificate associated with a pass type ID. Okay, so now we have covered terminology, let's talk about requirements. Now firstly, ensure you have a PassKit account. If you do not already have one, simply visit passkit.com and click on Free Trial. To create a pass certificate, Apple requires you to join the Apple Developer Program. This program offers a range of tools and resources, including functionalities for Apple Wallet passes. Enrollment is available for both individuals and companies, with an annual fee of $99. The sign-up process is straightforward, and generating certificates once enrolled is a quick and easy task. Google doesn't have this requirement, so you only need to do this for Apple Wallet. And lastly, you'll need a little time to complete this process. Okay, let's get started. Log into your PassKit account and navigate to the Certificate section, and then click on the Add Certificate button. Click on the Download the CSR button, and the CSR will be downloaded to your computer. The file will be named cert.certSigningRequest. Now let's register a pass type ID. In another browser window, log into your Apple Developer account and click on Identifiers. You'll find it in the column Certificates, IDs, and Profiles. Click on the plus button next to the word Identifiers. You are then shown the screen to register a new identifier. You need to select Pass Type IDs and then click the Continue button. Enter a unique identifier and description. I recommend choosing a description that you can easily recognize in the future. For the identifier, Apple recommends using a reverse domain name style string. For example, pass.com.example.appname. Once you have entered the description and identifier, click Continue. Check the information is correct and then click the Register button. You will then be taken to the list of identifiers. Make sure you are looking at Pass Type IDs and locate and click on your newly registered Pass Type ID. You will now see the identifier configuration screen. All you need to do here is click on the Create Certificate button. The next screen asks you for your CSR so the certificate can be created. You don't need to enter any other information on this page, and you can simply click on Choose File. Your Finder window will open up as a pop-up screen. Locate and select the file you previously downloaded from PassKit and click the Upload button. You've now created your certificate in your Apple account. Click Continue and then click the Download button. The file will be downloaded to your computer. The file name will be pass.cer. Now, return to the Certificates section in your PassKit account. If the Upload Certificate box, if not already in view, click the Add Certificate button again, and this time select I already have a CSR. Drag and drop the downloaded file pass.air into the upload box. And you are done. Your certificate now appears in the certificates list. You can view the full certificate details by clicking on View. Before we wrap up, I want to share some very important considerations. When setting up your Apple developer account, ensure that multiple individuals within the organization have access and knowledge of the account credentials. Failure to renew your certificates will have direct consequences. Firstly, you won't be able to issue new passes for the associated live project, and secondly, you will not be able to update any existing passes. I strongly recommend setting a calendar reminder to renew your certificate before it expires. Lastly, if you manage multiple brands or campaigns, consider creating a separate certificate for each of the brands to avoid confusion and ensure the correct icon displays on the iPhone lock screen. Congratulations! You have successfully uploaded your certificate to your PassKit account. Remember to renew your certificate and consider the factors I mentioned for efficient pass management.